Women are quite stereotypically perceived by the industry of skincare with the concept that floral or feminine scents are preferable in the skincare products. For us Indians, the science of aromatherapy had always appealed us, right from the era of Ayurveda to our grandma's ancient herbal remedies. However, in the present age of high end consumerism, many skincare brands are mimicking the Ayurveda science with little natural and most toxic chemical fragrances. More than 90% of the skincare products in India, both natural and chemical based, have unwanted fragrances in them. Name any big shot or small scale skincare brand you're using at home. High chances they have the word fragrance written in them. In fact, I am guilty of using them too, and I've learnt my lesson.
Hello, this is Portia and welcome again to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about what are fragrances in skincare, what are the problems of fragrances in skincare according to some top research journals and white papers, and how we should avoid fragrances in skincare. So without further ado, let's begin. A fragrance is an organic compound which basically vaporizes or volatilizes into the air. They are responsible for bad IAQ or indoor air quality. Now, some of these key fragrance generating ingredients that are found in skincare products are
Acetone, ethanol, benzaldehyde, formaldehyde, limonene, methylene chloride, camphor, ethyl acetate, linalool, and benzyl alcohol. Phthalates and synthetic masks are also commonly used potential hazardous ingredients.
Now, the problem with fragrances is that it looks like one ingredient in your skincare product, but it is actually a combination of several ingredients together. Now, some of these ingredients are actually secretive in nature. That means that it has not been tested by IFRA or the International Fragrance Research Association. Now, by the term secret, I mean that they have been identified in the campaign test, however, they have not been mentioned in the product labels. On the basis of certain reviews and assessments, in the last 25 years, only 27 fragrance generating ingredients has been tested from a total of 91 fragrance generating ingredients. Now, based on a research by AAD or American Academy of Dermatology, one of the pivotal causes of cosmetic contact dermatitis is basically fragrance in your skincare products. Now, fragrances in your skincare products can cause both kinds of contact dermatitis.
Some of the key symptoms of allergic contact dermatitis are dry, scaly, flaky skin, oozing blisters, hives, skin that appears leathery or darkened, skin redness, skin that burns, extreme itching, sun sensitivity, swelling especially in the eyes, groin areas, or face. Some of the key symptoms of irritant contact dermatitis are cracking skin owing to extreme dryness, blistering, swelling, skin that feels tight or stiff, ulcerations, and even open sores which form crust.
From the ingredients that I've mentioned before, acetone can act as a depressant to our CNS or central nervous system. It can also cause dryness of mouth, nausea issues, and also slurred speech. Ethanol found in skincare products can cause issues of indigestion. On the other hand, benzaldehyde is basically a local anesthetic and it can act as a narcotic. Limonene should not be breathed as it is carcinogenic in nature. Now, in the year 1988, methylene chloride was basically banned by the FDA in America because it had some toxic elements to it. Benzyl acetate is responsible for pancreatic cancer.
According to a research done by the Environment Working Group and Campaign for Safe Cosmetics on nearly 38 undisclosed or secret chemicals from 17 fragrance products identified, 6 ingredients like diethyl phthalate could disrupt your hormones. It could also cause sperm damage. Tonalide, which can impact the androgen and estrogen in our body, is an equally harmful element. These fragrance ingredients can interfere with the release, production, transport, and metabolism of hormone binding to the body. They also have the capacity to mimic your natural testosterone and estrogen and impact the pathways of thyroid, which can impact the functions of body like repair of tissues and growth.
Exposure to fragrances can also cause irritation to eyes, nose, and also respiratory issues. It can cause headache. It can also pollute the air, especially the indoor air quality. It can also cause migraines. It can exacerbate or even worsen the conditions of sinus. In order to avoid fragrances in skincare products, make sure that you look for the full ingredients of the skincare products. Search for any of the ingredients that I've mentioned in this video, because these ingredients might cause the fragrance in those products, and these ingredients are especially toxic, as I've mentioned. Also make sure that the skincare products has something like fragrance free or 0% fragrance mentioned in them, so that you can make sure that the fragrance that the product is assured and actually promises that it doesn't have any fragrances. Now, some of you who have been using fragrance generating ingredients in skincare products might not have any issues with these products, and you have been using for a really long time, but the damage is also long term. That is something that you need to understand. You might not have it in 5 or 6 years, but down the line, if you use it for 20 to 25 years, especially products like moisturizers or leave-on products that you wear it on the skin and you leave it for like an entire night or like about 14 to 15 hours. I'm talking about those products. Those products especially can be more dangerous than products that you're going to use and wash away, like a face wash. You are just going to apply it on the skin and wash away. Those products are still fine in terms of having fragrances, but for the safety, I would say to completely avoid any products having fragrances in them. Now, here's a request to all the consumers who are watching this channel. Please make sure that you read about the benefits and about the adverse consequences of fragrances in skincare products. I'm sure you're going to find out that the adverse consequences actually outperform the benefits which these fragrances provide, because they are actually nothing but for perfume generating elements. Also, it's a request for skincare manufacturers and future dermatologists who are planning to have their own product labels to please produce products which does not have fragrances in them. At the same time, educate masses to make them realize the adverse effects of fragrances. Also, if you are watching this, if the dermatologists or any employers are watching this channel, I would like to also say that all the top fragrance, all the top brands in USA or Korea, they do not actually recommend fragrance in them. So in order to outpar or outperform those brands, we also need to make sure that we follow these international standards, because India is a land of of medicinal sciences, and India has taught the world a lot of things, and I don't want Indians to fall behind in this arena too. So as an Indian and as a person who really hopes that the skincare industry in India has a bright future, please make sure that the products that you manufacture don't have fragrances in them, and also you educate the masses on its adverse consequences. Thank you. So that's it for today. If you like my channel, don't forget to hit a like and subscribe to it. And if you like more such videos, please mention in the comments so that I can research and develop more videos on such topics.